Hello guys, today we are gonna show you people who are another level of talent, but first subscribe and click on the bell. This kid decided that being the best at ping pong was not enough for him, so he decided to come up with some tricks. Here are the best ones.
This guy's love for Billie Eilish, an American singer, can be measured in more than 10,000 dyes. This artist creates unbelievable painting of a girl sitting on a bench that is so realistic.
You may be thinking that these are computer graphics, but these are actual people whose synchronization level is higher than an Apple product. This guy just needs some wine and 2 glasses to blow your mind.
If you feel like a klutz for cracking your phone screen, check out this guy. He has been hammered and glass for 3 years now, creating incredibly accurate portraits from the crack.
Makeup artist Mini Joy had 8 hours and a goal to blow her subscribers' mind, and she did. This guy was asked to draw the Hulk in the most unusual way, and the result will amaze you even more than you expected. After spending so many time on this project, she will have to sweep the whole house after that emoji.
An artist named yet not known has found an ingenious way to save on canvases for his painting. Wait for it. Foreign one, how that even possible? This girl is so flexible, she can skate under a pole that's only 36 centimeters off the floor. In your life, you have seen many backflips of many human beings. Now, get ready because you are about to see the craziest backflip of helicopter you have ever seen.
Here are the fastest hands at the party, 10 cups in less than a second. We must be looking at a reincarnation of Michael Jackson on steroids. The pets this street artist paints are so realistic that it's scary to fall into them. That's the most creative way to regulate traffic I have ever seen. When your wife won't let you buy a motorcycle, but you have the golden touch and a lot of chocolate at your job, I think this chocolatier is talented enough to make a new life too. This guy can throw a boomerang literally around the world and still hit the target. Look at how this artist found a way to make a 3D drawing pop even more. I believe in the Lord as most now. Now you are about to see the most complicated scrambled eggs ever made. This man shattered dozens of bottles before finally becoming the master of balance. You will never believe what this girl can do on a bike until you see it for yourself. Her name is Wina Brand. Yes, she's plunking in the handlebars and then she goes to play some basketball. I wonder, is there anything she does without the bike?